All right, we're going to use our rules of exponents to simplify some exponential expressions. So here, number 3, we have 8x raised to the 5th divided by 2x raised to the 3rd. So we're going to use our rules of exponents and what we know. The first thing we're going to do is this is a division problem, so we're going to divide the coefficients like normal. So in the numerator there, in that 8x to the 5th, the coefficient is an 8. And then in the denominator, 2x cubed, your coefficient there is a 2. So we're going to do simply 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So that's the new coefficient on our answer. Now we need to look at the x's. We're going to keep the base because we're dividing exponential expressions with the same base. We're going to keep the base, so we're going to keep the x. And the rule here is we need to subtract the exponents. So the answer is 4x squared because 5 minus 3 is 2. So you subtract from the numerator to the denominator. So 5 minus 3. All right, and number 4, 5x raised to the 0 power. Well, we know anything raised to the 0 power is just 1. So this turns into 5 times 1, which is just 5. And then number 5, working with some negative exponents. So we have x raised to the negative 2nd power. Remember our rule for negative exponents? If we have x raised to the negative a power, that turns into 1 over x to the positive a power. So you bring that whole expression to the denominator and you make the exponent positive. So x raised to the negative 2 power would turn into 1 over x squared.